What's up, guys? LD Moto back with you. I'm gonna try and get a regular video done. I appreciate you guys watching the last one. I just been kind of feeling like booger lately. I caught it after almost 2 years of not having any problems. I caught it. The freaking COVID, man. It really slowed me down, and it really sucks. Yeah. But anyways, let's move on. I got a little bit of energy right now, and I want to get started on the Big Bear. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe out there, and hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All right, before I get on to this exciting thing that everybody wants to watch, I'm gonna try and start up Yellow Krispy here. Everything's been sitting for a while. Oh man, the gas has been left on. Gosh darn it. Well guys, she probably ain't gonna start. Dang it. Well, oh well, let's see what happens. Yeah, I should just put a battery in this darn thing, but whatever. This is the kind of sketch part because she starts and tends to like to want to take off. Thank you. It's probably been sitting too long, guys. I'm probably gonna have to clean the carburetor. Well, there's a possibility it could be out of gas too, I guess. It is not. Put it on reserve. Off. You guys seen the video A Day to Remember with the boys? This thing actually took off and ran into Leland. Alright guys, I'm going to set this thing down. I'm going to try and do it in the driveway without killing myself. Well, that might be the end of that thing, guys. That was lame. Alright, you can't do a startup on stuff without throwing in a little bit of that SYX-R here. So I'm going to bring her out. Hopefully she starts up. She's been sitting a while too. Might take a little spin on it. Let's see. As long as it starts up fine. We'll see you guys. rather let her run for a little bit. Not too long. Alright, it's been a while since we've started this thing. I think before Christmas. Let's see how she does. Oh, oops, gas is leaking. Come there. Oh, geez. Guys, we got a pretty bad gas leak from the pit top. Damn it. I think the seals are stuck, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and start it anyways. If it happens, I'm not gonna run it. Show you what's going on over here. It's off now, but it's coming right up the tip of that thing. I think I need a better air filter for it too, because it's still kind of bogging out on the top end. That wasn't too bad. Alrighty, so I got to replace this for sure. I thought it's probably because the seals in there are like sticking pretty bad there because they're probably pretty old. The bike obviously still needs to be painted. I need a new rear brake cable. This is, I don't want to even explain that. Paint, adjusting this bracket back here for a grab bar because there's literally nowhere to grab it right now, which kind of sucks because these plastics are not meant for this frame. This bike is a lot older. I think this is between, I don't know, 2002 to 2007 or 8, something like that. And this motor wasn't meant for this frame, but I put it on here. And any of you guys have been around for a while, kind of know the story where I'm going with this. Yeah, it's a old KTM frame. I think this one was SYX Pro Junior? No, I don't know. Either way, I don't know. Let me look at the thing, what it says. It is, where did it go? Oh, SYX Adventure. But this one was a little newer and it had better pegs on it, so we decided to use this frame. It's generally the same as the other one we got, but the pegs were different, and that was about it. Alrighty. I'm going to rebuild this. I have one inside. I'm going to redo that one first. Yeah, so it's just probably the O-ring in there. It should be fairly simple. I need to drain the gas out of here, then I'll do this one too, so we'll have an extra one. It's really not, it doesn't seem to be hard. There's a little clip on the end, but I'll show you guys here in a second what I'm going to be doing on here. So I need to get this thing drained. Alrighty guys, this is the other one. I already rebuilt that one, but this is the one that was on the SYX, or not SYX-R, old KTM, but you can see it's kind of chewed up there, so it was definitely not doing what it was supposed to. But I got a bunch of O-rings, and I'm going to replace it and get it back on there, and maybe Lee will ride it today. I don't know, but let me get this thing finished up. It's pretty easy to do. It's just a piece of rubber, pop it off, put a new one on, and send it. Alright, got it back in there. It's really not too difficult at all. A little pin right there on the end. Pop it off. Pull the plunger down. Screw it all the way out. Pull the plunger out. Replace the O-ring. And now I'm going to put some gas in it and see if I can actually take it for a ride. See if it'll not leak anymore. But give me a few minutes because I can't hold this and do all that. Because, yeah. Alright, got some gas in there. Let's see here. See what happens. Already better. Because before, it'd be leaking instantly. And so far, so good. Give it a minute. Nothing new. Shake it up a little bit. Cool. Alrighty, not too bad. I'm gonna take this thing for a little ride, and if Liam wants to take it for a ride later, I'm gonna leave this video just a little bit longer to get that in there, but I'm gonna take it for a spin. Guys, we got some bad weather coming, so he's gonna try and get a little bit of riding in. Still got that old tire on there, but it's actually a new tire, but it actually is just not a good tire. She's sounding so much better now. I think part of the cutting out issue might have been some of the fuel. Seems like she's responding really well. Nice. Is it leaking or is it just me? Sweet. No leaks. Right on, dude. Dang, you still got it. Hey, I'm not going to make a huge promise, but would you like to go to a track with just me and you, no training course? We'll just go there and have a little bit of fun. Don't worry about anything else. We'll figure it out. Deal. Love you. Have some fun, bud. Yeah, I saw it. Nice. Alright, so there it is, guys. Me and him are going to hit the track sooner or later. Hopefully when we have some decent weather. But yeah, we want to say thank you. LD Moto. We'll see you guys next time.